Here's a helpful video for people who've got motherboards which have got high memory sticks. And if you're trying to use a noctua fan like this one, basically this side can be too high sometimes. Well, sorry, can be too low, so it won't be able to fit in. Now if you notice mine, I've taken off some of the ribs, taken off some of the fins. So now that side is higher, as you can see. And the way you do that is you get a scissors, and you cut along until you get to the cut points, cut, and then carefully with the pliers you twist out the bits of metal until you end up with these sorts of things. They basically, you can see the cut marks where I've cut along and then twisted the metal around. Just try not to damage the heat pipes. So I believe there's liquid inside there, but don't quote me on that. So yeah, so basically you take off enough of these until you lift the height up, and then at the top, whereas the fan would have sat there, when you come to refit it, all you do is you just sit the fan up a bit higher as well. So you sit the fan at about that height and job done. Now you can fit your very big noctua fan with high memory on one side.